Hey everyone, I'm Peyton Lambton here with Wayfair.com giving you tips for a guest room on a budget. My favorite part of a bed is a good set of sheets, so put your money here and your guests will be really happy. One piece that I like to add to the guest bedroom is a fan. My husband cannot sleep without one of these, so I want to make sure that if our guests need one, they have one available. You can fill a basket, bin, or tray with basic necessities and thoughtful extras, like their favorite candy or tea. Next, give your guests 5-star hotel amenities by adding a luggage rack and a watercraft. If possible, keep your closet empty and add some hangers so your guests can hang up their clothes. I chose an upholstered headboard for guests who like to read at night. It offers a great place for them to lean up and be comfortable. A pair of nightstands will also help complete the look. With a bit of a higher budget, refresh the nightstands with a pair of new table lamps. Bedside lamps should be between 26 and 28 inches tall so guests can read in bed at night without a light shining in their eyes. Don't forget to include a note with the Wi-Fi network name and password. Now this room's ready for guests. You can find all these products and more at Wayfair.com.